are your thoughts ngayon mag-graduate na ka mo? Excited?
I do not know how to feel.
Yo, be grade 7.
Mixed emotions. Happy and sad. Mixed emotions.
Oh, grade 7. Ako mag-graduate. How many months left?
2.
Oh, 2 months.
My birthday. I'll miss the elementary days.
What will you say to Cassie? Goodbye.
Goodbye, Cassie.
Goodbye, classmate. You will not see each other again. I think so. Ay,
See you never.
see you tomorrow.
See you next time.
See you when I see you.
See you when I see you.
Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Palapit ka mo, Dio. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.